but what Ben Hogan did was, unthinkable and incredible. You think of all the words I have to come up to describe
Hello,
what he
kitty.
did, and they really don't
How
grasp
you
it.
feel?
Almost eerie his story. It's hard to really
See?
so admire
Did you see?
later, and this is what's happened. We were
What?
obviously thinking about his family. Thank you so much for jumping on TV with me.
So weird.
We got some good news on the vaccine front today. The FDA says Johnson & Johnson's single-dose vaccine is safe and effective, and it could hit the market as early as